Imagine unlocking the secrets to financial freedom. No confusing jargon, no intimidating stock charts, just 7 simple habits that can change the way you manage money forever. What if financial independence was not just for the lucky few, but something you could achieve by shifting your mindset and adopting practical, everyday strategies you were never taught in school? What they don't teach you about money: 7 habits to unlock financial independence. Claer Barrett offers powerful tools that anyone can use to make money, build wealth, and invest with confidence, whether you're just starting out or already managing your finances. If you've been searching for ways to make money online, grow passive income, or harness the magic of compound interest, this book is exactly what you need. This book offers practical and actionable advice, and in this video, I'm going to break it all down in detail for you. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Here we cover essential topics like how to make money online, smart budgeting, investing, passive income strategies, and financial planning. You won't want to miss the upcoming videos filled with practical tools and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Now let's dive right into the insights from Claer Barrett's transformative book. I'll walk you through every habit in detail, show how you can apply it in your life, and explain why adopting these habits will make a significant difference to your financial well-being. Barrett starts with a simple yet powerful premise. Financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about building the right habits over time. Many of us believe that people who are financially successful must have started with an advantage. Maybe they were born into wealth or had access to opportunities that others didn't. But Barrett challenges that notion by showing that anyone can achieve financial independence if they learn to build the right habits, stick to them, and apply consistency to every aspect of their financial lives. The book is empowering because it provides a roadmap that works for people at every stage, whether you're just getting started with personal finance or already making strides in saving and investing. Barrett's central message is that most of us were never taught how to manage money effectively. Think about it. You spend years in school learning subjects like math, science, literature, and history, but there's rarely a course on financial literacy for beginners. As a result, many people grow up without knowing the basics of budgeting, saving, or investing. This lack of education leaves people feeling overwhelmed by their finances, and many turn to trial and error, which can often lead to costly mistakes. Barrett's book steps in to fill that gap, providing practical knowledge and tools that can make a real difference. The habits she outlines aren't complicated, but they require a mindset shift. They're simple steps that, when applied consistently, can lead to lasting financial security and freedom. One of the things I really love about Barrett's approach is that she knows how to hook the audience early. From the very first chapter, she makes it clear that financial independence is achievable for everyone, regardless of their starting point. It doesn't matter if you're earning minimum wage, a middle-class salary, or a 6-figure income. The principles she teaches apply universally. What matters most is building the right habits and sticking to them. Her conversational writing style makes even complex topics feel accessible, and she uses real-world examples that make it easy for readers to relate to the ideas she's presenting. Each chapter flows naturally into the next, with smooth transitions for flow that keep the reader engaged from beginning to end. The first habit Barrett introduces is budgeting, which forms the foundation of everything else you'll do with your money. Without a budget, it's nearly impossible to have a clear understanding of where your money is going or how to allocate it effectively. A budget is essentially a plan for how you'll spend, save, and invest your money each month, and it ensures that every dollar has a purpose. Barrett encourages readers to track every single expense, from the smallest purchases like coffee to larger recurring bills. This might sound tedious at first, but it's a crucial step in gaining control over your finances. Once you know where your money is going, you can begin making intentional choices about how to use it. One of the key lessons in the book is that budgeting isn't about depriving yourself. It's about empowering yourself. When you create a budget that reflects your goals and priorities, you can spend confidently, knowing that your financial decisions align with your values. Barrett emphasizes the importance of flexibility in budgeting because life is unpredictable and unexpected expenses are bound to arise. A rigid budget can lead to frustration and burnout, so it's important to build in some flexibility. This might mean setting aside a small portion of your budget for discretionary spending or creating an emergency fund to cover unexpected costs. Flexibility ensures that you can stay on track even when life throws you a curveball. In addition to budgeting, Barrett dives into the importance of saving money and building a financial safety net. She explains that saving isn't just about putting money in a bank account. It's about creating security and peace of mind. One of the most powerful concepts Barrett introduces is compound interest, which allows your savings to grow exponentially over time. Compound interest means that you earn interest not only on your initial deposit, but also on the interest that accumulates. This creates a snowball effect, where your money grows faster the longer it remains invested. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to compound, which is why it's essential to begin as soon as possible, even if you can only save small amounts at first. Barrett also addresses common fears and misconceptions around investing, particularly the belief that the stock market is too risky or complicated for the average person. She breaks down investing for beginners into simple, actionable steps, showing readers how to get started with confidence. One of the strategies she recommends is investing in index funds, which are low-cost mutual funds that track the performance of a broad market index. Index funds allow you to diversify your investments and reduce risk while still benefiting from the long-term growth of the market. Barrett emphasizes that investing isn't about timing the market or picking individual stocks. It's about staying consistent and playing the long game. Another exciting strategy Barrett discusses is dividend investing. Dividends are payments made by companies to their shareholders, and they offer a way to generate passive income simply by holding certain stocks. This means that once you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you'll receive regular income without having to do any additional work. Dividend investing is an excellent way to build wealth over time because it allows you to reinvest your earnings and take advantage of compound interest. Over time, your portfolio will grow, and the amount of passive income you receive will increase, creating a snowball effect. Beyond the stock market, Barrett explores the potential of real estate investing as a way to build wealth and generate passive income. Real estate offers both long-term appreciation and immediate cash flow through rental income. Barrett provides practical advice on how to evaluate properties, negotiate deals, and manage tenants effectively. She emphasizes that you don't need to be a real estate mogul to benefit from this strategy. Starting with just one rental property can set you on the path toward financial independence. Even if you're not interested in managing properties yourself, Barrett discusses other ways to invest in real estate, such as through real estate investment trusts or crowdfunding platforms. One of the core messages of the book is the importance of creating multiple income streams. Relying on a single paycheck can leave you vulnerable to financial stress if something unexpected happens. That's why Barrett encourages readers to explore additional income opportunities, such as make money online ventures, freelancing, or side businesses. Having multiple streams of income provides more stability and freedom, allowing you to pursue your passions without worrying about financial setbacks. This aligns perfectly with the principles of the FIRE movement: financial independence, retire early. The goal of FIRE is to build enough wealth and passive income so that you no longer need to rely on traditional employment. Whether your dream is to retire early, travel the world, or spend more time with your family, achieving financial independence gives you the freedom to design your life on your own terms. Throughout the book, Barrett emphasizes the importance of self-improvement and developing the right mindset. Building wealth isn't just about numbers. It's about adopting habits that support your goals and staying disciplined in the face of challenges. She acknowledges that emotional spending, debt, and poor financial habits can hold people back, but she offers practical strategies for overcoming these obstacles. One of the most important lessons in the book is the value of progress over perfection. Barrett reminds readers that it's okay to make mistakes along the way. The key is to learn from those mistakes and keep moving forward. Barrett also offers valuable insights into retirement planning and the importance of starting early. Even if you're getting a late start, it's never too late to begin planning for retirement. Barrett discusses the benefits of contributing to employer-sponsored retirement plans and taking advantage of compound interest to grow your savings. She also addresses the impact of inflation on your savings and the importance of investing in assets like stocks and real estate that can outpace inflation over time. In conclusion, What They Don't Teach You About Money by Claer Barrett is a must-read for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. Whether you're just getting started or refining your strategies, this book offers practical insights that will help you build wealth, manage your finances, and achieve financial independence. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming content. We have more exciting videos on the way, including deep dives into how to invest in stocks, real estate strategies, and make money online ventures. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, financial freedom is within your reach. You just have to take the first step.